What's up, YouTube? I'm Corey, and welcome to my channel, Let's Talk with Corey. But before I get into today's reaction video, wherever you are in the world today, I mean wherever you are in the world today, I really do hope you're having a great day. Let me pause and give a shout out to my subscribers. Whether you've been with me since the beginning or you're checking in for the very first time, thank you for your support. And to my followers on Facebook, thank you guys for your support as well. Man kills neighbor over snoring. That's right. I repeat, man kills his neighbor over snoring. Has been charged with murder. A Pennsylvania man is dead because his loud snoring kept waking up his fed-up neighbor, who stabbed him to death to get him to stop. This bizarre real-life tale began last Sunday evening in Upper Moreland Township, where police responded to the home of Christopher Casey after receiving a 911 call from him to report a stabbing. Guys, you can't make this stuff up. When they arrived, the cops discovered Casey's neighbor, Robert Wallace, about 50 feet from the house with 2 knife wounds in his body. Casey also had been stabbed in the right thigh. Police found blood inside and outside the residence. Both men were rushed to the hospital where Wallace died, and Casey was treated for his non-life-threatening injuries. Investigators were able to piece together that Wallace went over to Casey's home that night and stepped onto his porch to detach a screen from one of the windows. Casey, who was eating dinner, was somehow alerted and confronted Wallace, getting into a heated argument. During the verbal altercation, Casey produced a military-style knife, plunging the blade into Wallace twice. Now see, I'm going to think about something here. Wallace went to Casey's home unannounced. This man was eating dinner. Now, doesn't excuse that one neighbor had to kill the other neighbor, but apparently Wallace entered into or attempted to enter into his property, and Casey did what he did. But anyway, it says that perhaps the most stunning element of the story came when detectives learned the motive behind the attack. The neighbors had been involved in an ongoing beef over Casey's loud snoring, which could be heard through a wall shared by their connected homes. Montgomery County District Attorney Kevin Steele said Casey was arrested Thursday and charged with third-degree murder, voluntary manslaughter, and possessing an instrument of crime. Casey is currently in custody while being held on a $1 million cash bail. Wow, guys. Incredible story. And again, this is coming via TMZ. You can read it for yourself if you're interested. But again, guys, look, when neighbors don't get along, apparently this is the extreme result of neighbors not getting along. But I will say this, it should have never resulted in someone losing their life. But guys, you leave a comment. What's your thoughts about this article and what happened to this Pennsylvania man? Of course, he went into Casey's property, and Casey did what he did. But again, I'm saying it should have never escalated to the point to where his one neighbor loses their life. But anyway, guys, again, leave a comment. Thanks for the pull-up. Let's Talk with Corey. Let's Talk with Corey out.